Hello friends, in our day-to-day office work, we come across data sets containing duplicate values. These duplicate values may affect result in minor or insignificant manner. In this video, we will learn how to identify these duplicate values in a data set. In this illustration, I have taken a sample data set containing 4 columns: name, title, father name, and city. If we look in the name column, we will find that Hari and Heather, these two names are appearing more than once. We will highlight these duplicate values using the Excel trick. So what we will do, first we'll select the name column and we'll select conditional formatting option under the home tab. This is home tab. Under this home tab you will find conditional formatting. Strike over this. A drop down list will appear. Select highlight cell rule. From there we will select duplicate values. You can see a dialog box is appearing containing two fields. First field is one containing duplicate and unique. Here in this case we are identifying duplicate, so we will select here duplicate. Another field is for customizing the color of highlighter. So by default it is selecting light red filled with the dark text. With the help of this list we can select fixed colors or we can customize as per our requirement. I am selecting here green filled with dark green text. So now strike OK. We will find here that Hari and Heather, these are appearing more than once, so they are highlighted with a green color. Now question is, in real manner, Hari and Heather are duplicate entries in the data sheet or they are unique in itself. We cannot judge a data with the help of a single test. If we look at Hari, Hari is Agrawal by title, whereas another Hari is Jain by title, whereas Heather is Khan in both the cases. Their father name is also identical, Javed. Heather Khan is son of Javed, whereas another Heather Khan is also son of Javed. But they are residing at two different cities. One is at Dubai and another is at Madras. So in this kind of situations, how will identify the duplicate value? Friends, this is a very small data set. Checking the individual entries, we can conclude whether the data is unique or duplicate in manner. But when the data set is larger and number of columns are higher, the task becomes very difficult. How we will do this? We will do with the help of concatenate. We will take the help of concatenate. Afterward, we will apply this conditional formatting tools. Friends, for detailed information regarding concatenate, you can watch my video on concatenate. Friends, in a helper column, we will concatenate all these 4 values. So right here concatenate, select it, and with the help of cursor you place the input data. So name, title, father name, and city name. Now close this parenthesis and drag this formula in the data column. Now we have a concatenated values. Select this value and now apply conditional formatting in a similar manner. So highlight cell rule, duplicate values, and highlight. So you can see here none one has been highlighted. That means what? No one data is duplicate in itself. They are unique. Let's change the title of Hari. So I have changed it from Agrawal to the Jain. You can see in helper column the concatenated value is highlighted as red. If same thing I carry out for Heather by changing the city name from Madras to Dubai, you can see Heather is also highlighted as a duplicate value. So friends, in this manner easily we can highlight the duplicate value in a data set. However large the data set may be, with the help of concatenate we can arrive at a unique value. So next time whenever you find a data set which is a large data set, first identify the duplicate values and then carry out your research activities. Hope I am able to clear the concept of highlighting the duplicate data. If you like this video, please share this and subscribe my channel.